Hey guys, it's Air Tec Wireless. This is part 2 for the iPad 2 glass repair and Wi-Fi repair. Basically, we showed you how to take off the Wi-Fi cable, the bad one. There it is right there. And we've already installed the new one. It's under the adhesive and it loops all the way down to the motherboard and connects back to the motherboard. And we've already installed all the adhesive to hold the digitizer back on. And now we're going to show you how to put your LCD back on.
Connector.
Okay, now you put it back in, and then you take the connector piece and flip it back down just like that. Now you take your LCD and match it right back up with the 4 screw holes that you removed it from originally. Now screw your LCD back into place. Okay, now take your home button and put it back into place how it was on your first iPad glass. Remove the plastic covering that protects the screen from scratching. Also take the other home button piece and put it back into place down at the bottom. And screw it back into place. As you can see, the iPad turns on. Now take your digitizer and lay it back into place on how it should be, on top of the adhesive. Make sure all your corners match up because it's really hard to get the screen to come back off. Now smooth all the edges out and make sure that everything fits perfectly. You don't want no edges sticking out. Okay, now test out your iPad. Make sure everything works just fine as how it should be. And as you can see, it's reading the Wi-Fi now when it wasn't before.
Full strength.
Okay, and as you can see, we have full strength Wi-Fi signal, which means it was a success. Now you want to test out all your touch on your glass to make sure everything works fine. As you can see, everything seems to be working just fine as how it should be. Alright guys, that's it from Air Tec Wireless. Check us out online. You can buy all your parts that you need to repair your stuff from us. Thank you.